Hey everyone, it's Michael here with GoodEreader.com, and today we're going to unbox the Tolino Page 2. This e-reader is their entry-level device. It's cheaper than 99 euros to purchase, and it's comparing against the Amazon Kindle Basic, which is their entry-level e-reader. So this has a front light, but not a color temperature system, a basic 6-inch screen, and it has only 212 ppi instead of the average e-reader having around 300 ppi. So it has e-ink Carta HD, so it is using the latest and greatest e-ink stuff. You might not notice the big change from 200 ppi to 300 ppi, but aficionados would notice the difference. I know I did. So there's 8 gigs of internal storage, Wi-Fi, compatible with EPUB, PDF, and text. Let's open this up and see what's inside. So the first thing that we see is hello, hi. There's USB cable in here. So just a basic plastic USB cable. Nothing tremendously to write home about. It's certainly not as good as the braided cable that comes with the Vision 5 or the Epos 2. So let's some documentation here. So it looks like that this is the quick start guide, basically telling you where the power button is, how to set up Wi-Fi, how to plug it into your PC, and some gestures for the home screen. And this is your warranty information. You might want to hang on to this. It comes in a myriad of different languages: German, Italian, Dutch, and so on. So not the greatest packaging. It's like a glorified bubble mailer, but this is what we have. So there's a small dip in the screen. Usually with non-waterproof e-readers, when you see a small dip, it basically means it's using IR technology. Given that this is their entry-level e-reader, doesn't surprise me. On the bottom is the power button and a USB cable. You notice that it says Tolino Page 2. The back, it's like cheap plastic. There's really no grip in it. Tolino logo embossed, but there's a small dip. So this is the e-reader, fairly basic. Let us know what you think about this device in the comments below, and stay tuned to our YouTube channel for a full hands-on review. For GoodEreader.com, my name is Michael, and everybody take care.